Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert cells and shape right in Google Sheets file. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Now we can see is the shape cell and right. Now select from the index option. Now going to the insert point option. Now click for the cells option. Now click for the insert and shift right. That's it. Then again another option. Now select. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the cells option. Now click for the insert cells and right. That's it. Then I show the insert cells and shift right in Google Sheets file. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for